Today, we talk about when is the appropriate time to go full-time. Coming up. Okay, so I get asked this question a lot. When do you know when to go full-time? To be honest, for myself, when I knew it was time to go full-time, I still had a full-time job in which I was able to do some of the artwork at work, print some of the film. And when I would go home, every single day, I was up late in the morning till 2 or 3 in the morning, catching up with my orders or just doing orders in general. When I realized it was time for me to go full-time was when I was completely overwhelmed with my screen printing work as a side business. I just could not keep up with it, and I started losing clients in business. I also got an order that was 1,000 shirts. I either had to turn it down, send it somewhere else, or go full-time and print it. And that's what I did. I had an order of about 1,000 shirts. It was a 3-color front, back, and sleeve print. And also one of the things that made me realize I needed to go full-time was the fact that I was putting in less hours at my regular job. I was making more money screen printing than I was at my regular job because I just wasn't putting in the time. My focus really was on my business. There are some sacrifices that I did have to make. You're going to have to make sacrifices, and those sacrifices are you might make a little less income starting out initially. It's a risk, but it's something you got to do if you really want it. You have to just dive in, put all your efforts into keeping your clients happy, getting your orders out in a timely manner, and the word will spread that you're doing a great job and perhaps you're providing great prices or what makes your shop unique. Whatever the case may be, your stomach's going to drop. And that's how I felt. I was really nervous about it, but I was at a really good point towards where I had all the equipment that I really needed to go full-time, and I just dove right in with a bunch of risk. And that's what it's gonna take. And for me personally, it was a bunch of risk, but it paid off. Here we are with the shop, and even that was nerve-wracking. It's a risk, it's well worth it, and you just have to jump in and do it. I mean, that's it really. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I really appreciate it. Don't forget we're an official rep for Catspit Productions, so use our promo code Mikey Designs at catspitscreenprintsupply.com. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share our videos, and until next time, guys, we'll see you later.